Why not? Ala, excited na kasi tata.
Sige na, sige na.
Open.
Alam na.
Sige na, i-open na.
One by one, one by one.
Ikaw, Lex, openin mo.
I-open one.
Open one.
Go, yeah.
Open.
Wala na, ang dako may giunaw.
Ala ka.
Last na lang na Lance. That's big man. You start with a small one.
Okay.
Okay.
Read from whom, so that you'll say thank you.
Thank you, Mami Shella.
From? Wala mo din from, anak.
Ako, anak, for that's from me.
Sige na.
From Tita Popeye. Thank you, Tita Popeye.
Complete yun.
Ala ka, Sandra.
You like it? Sige, open sa.
Mo tanaw, tigil ka, wag gigisip pati yan.
Open na.
Gisi ka na, gisi na. Gisi, you gisi.
I'm Gizzy. You need to wait.
Gisi, Alex, gisi.
Lex, Dira Lex.
Carol me. Hey, what is this? Puppet Carol me, look. Balik ka na, anak. My favorite.
Wow. What is that?
Still order it.
Okay. Still order it.
Nawala si Alex.
What is that?
Another one.
Open na.
Wow, Kuromi toy. Alana?
I have stickers here.
Okay.
Oh, put it there.
Put it aside, put it on the
Put it
side.
aside.
Open, Alex. Lex, open.
Open another one, Alex.
Open
Go.
another one.
No, another one.
Kuha na to.
Kuha na, kuha na.
Can I choose this one?
Yeah.
I think they can be.
Dahil ikaw rin kitabihan silang tulong.
Hindi na, open na.
Faster na mo open, hawig.
Daddy?
No, Mami Sheila.
Lagi-lagi di ka mo nagbasa.
Shella.
Mami Sheila, thank you.
Mami na nilabalaan.
Salamat po.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
Ala.
Tagna, pag Mario jacket.
Wow. What is that?
I think I'm really sing. I think I look.
Ayun naman na.
Ayun, mali ako. Yeah. Woo.
Okay.
Ilis mo na yun.
Ito, te.
Ay, mauna yung costume to isa na po. Ito isa. May costume mo.
Is that one?
Wow.
I see three of them. Alex, look.
Lex, bailutan,
Lagi
Lex.
ko lang iyan. Ang gipin niya.
It's for the makeup and for
The
your
makeup,
food.
bro.
It's for the makeup.
Now, can I open something else?
Oh, yeah. You're so saba.
Hey, look. I have cut up for you. I think at that no time we have to open our
There's no
next.
Saba na ba?
Pati ang lagi mo. Ano ganyan eh?
Okay. We're the same.
Wow, nice kay Tina. Ikaw naman di ay.
Hindi
Di pa adjust.
But it's okay.
Gripper na.
Oh, it's okay.
Full dress na lagi siya. Mag-leggy. Mag-ano na yung gati. Mag-short.
From?
Sarap.
Priscilla. Priscilla.
Dala ni sa kuhan, Barbie.
Wait,
Hala.
thank you, Priscilla.
Wow.
Wow, we have the same upstairs. Doon nakapuk.
Wow, paano to?
And this is
Paano siya, Tito?
That's your
No.
ninong.
Ninong na.
Ninong.
where's Nino?
Tito Flo.
Ah,
Say,
Nino.
The other house.
Tito Flo. Say thank you.
Say thank you, Tito. Ay, Ninong Flo, thank you.
Thank you, Nina Flo.
Ayun na, Ninong Flo G.
I don't know where to find you.
Ninong Flo G.
Magsaba dila.
Ah, Flo A day kay Ayawon is the third.
Sapa kay siya
Ate
nga bata.
Nika, ikaw ba?
Open na, Emily. Open na.
Di ba na ninong ni Kwan? Ala na si ani kami ninong ni Kwan. Yapilan lang na siya. Ala na siguro.
Wow, what's that, Alex?
What's that, Alex?
Box?
Alex.
What's that? What's that, Atin? What's that?
Boxing yun po, Ali. Wow!
Wow, Nick.
Alexander, look!
I have what?
Favorite, thank you.
Ninong
Ninong.
Flo.
Flo.
Ninong Rai.
Ikaw dito po ulit.
Ito, gigisi.
Tadi, anak, mag-isip ko. Mag-ina.
Punching bag.
Si Tata magunit, ikaw punch.
Pero mag-awit. Pero mag-awit.
Okay, I'm the next one. The next is this one.
What is
is that?
Kaya na sa ati.
Yan lang yan.
Napakailain jeep na.
Put your garbage here.
Kapalit na sa kuan. Sa silin ba? Kamulawa na po ba?
Ma, Auntie, open the next one.
Open that one, oh.
Open the next one.
Set na, Lorian.
That is the last one, Ate Nika. I still have lunch.
Ah, hindi kasi kudapya.
Kuromi!
Wow!
Pizza next.
That's
Ninong.
Dire mo tang sa loob.
Ninong Flo.
Ninong Flo.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ninong Flo.
Flo A.
Low G.
Flow A. Kay ayawon man siya, di man siya kuhan. Flow G.
Sisinggi.
Dagan kay sulog, gigisi man muna. Natagak yung mukha, no?
Ano may rapper? Isa
Dad,
ko na.
who give it to me again?
Mami, daddy.
Thank you, Mommy, Daddy. Can you help me hold this?
Oh my
Hindi naman
goodness.
vlogger
Oh,
yun.
I have.
Oh.
You want makeup?
No.
Tapirware kita lang, tapirware. Yatag dahil lahat sa ikaw.
Wait, there's two more.
yeah.
Dad, why do you have
Uy, that's your new toothbrush, man.
Hey, what is this? I want
Ay, kanika daw. That's
Milo sila?
atinika, man.
Mommy. Yes. What is that?
It's Kuromi ball pen.
Okay. Just what I needed. What is this?
For your eye.
Para sa imong ID.
Yeah.
Kuromi.
Yan na. Ang alanan eh.
Sige na ba?
Oh, yan ang dua.
Oh, you open that one, oh, Lana, oh. That's the tumbler. Your new
This one, the box.
tumbler.
Open that one. What's
Can you
inside?
open it?
Sure.
Sure.
Sure. Let's see.
Yeah. Top out. Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you, Mommy, Daddy. Bagong ba?
Baunan.
Lama.
Sige na.
Lamo.
Siya na lagi yung hilom
I have the
Biglang can
biggest
do.
in the world.
Open it, Nick.
Wait, nambuk kayo.
You open it,
I have
Nick.
the biggest in the room.
What's that?
Yes! Sit up! Yeah! Wait, hold a bit to me.
Mami, daddy.
Thank you, Mommy, Daddy. I always forgot.
Sige na.
Yeah! Yes, yes, yes. Look, I saw
Toothbrush
that.
gapon te.
What did I saw?
Sige, sige.
Wow.
You got
Gani kay nakaadtog DIY gapon ba?
Wala.
Yay, the
Ito na lang, last na na yun.
Ano ang color di mo
Sino
para
ng
sa
pente?
Uh-uh.
Big pen.
toothbrush.
Pinugkalan na.
Where's my ID?
Yeah,
Dili
you open
ta,
your
upstairs, akong
phone
gihipos.
and then your phone.
Ay, sa labong kaga.
I
Dito
said
na
that
tagay
I
mo
could
ID.
open this.
Oh, later na mag-open.
Later na mag-open.
Oops. You still have more?
Ay, you still have one more.
Last, last. Wow.
Oh, dito bang? Wala na, face it here.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold a bit to me.
Tito Pupuy.
Tita Popeye.
Basa-basa. Kasi kabalo ka basa. Ang tahan na rin dito mi.
Patubang siya.
Ato bang? Ato bang? Wala na.
Ano na?
Wala na.
That. Puta na rin kasi yung pinaka-paborito.
Yeah!
Ay, pangit.
Oh no! Wow!
Mommy! Thank you, Mommy.
Uy!
Uy, Tito Pupi.
Thank you, Mami daw.
Popeye.
Wow! Sana siya kauban mag-sleep.
Wow, you look like her.
Si tatay.
Si Tata na sad. Open si Tata.
Okay. O, panglimpyo sa amo ha. Daplin sa